Hi guys, picked this one up in a charity shop quite a while ago. Was expecting to try and do it with one of my grandsons, but we've never got round to it, so I'm going to do it myself. It says build a sports car radio controlled. A couple of happy looking chaps on it. Certainly an interesting hairstyle up there. Anyway, I have had a look in it. It doesn't look like it's been started. I think somebody might have had a peek at it and then decided not to do it. And it is radio controlled, but it looks to me like it's simply forwards and backwards. It's just two buttons there. 49 megahertz. It looks like the bag's been opened, but I think everything's in there. Body shell. Let's check there's nothing. Oh, screwdriver. Well, that was worth looking. Okay, so we have a box, which I'll put to one side. Radio control gear, body shell, bits and pieces, instructions. Looks like it might be four-wheel drive. Oh, we'll find out in a minute. A few screws. Tyres. Oh, they're nice, soft rubbery tyres. They're rubbery. I know what this is. This is one of those ones that goes in it's not a slot car, it's a guided track. That's why you only need forwards and backwards. Because you just race it around this guided track, and it has little bits on the front that's, yeah, like sideways pointing wheels that rub against the sides of the track. I've had something similar a long time ago. Mind you, I've had this kit for quite a long time. Are we missing a piece? Let's have a look at the picture. Says they've got numbers on them. Oh yes, they are numbered. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. That looks good. Remove a component, twist it back and forth till it separates from the frame. Ask an adult to help you by removing any remnants of the plastic tabs that connect the pieces to the frame with a knife or scissors. Right, well, I'll consider myself to be an adult at the moment. Whenever the word click appears in the instruction manual, the specified piece must be pressed firmly into place until a click is heard. Right. Okay. So part number 1. Goes into part number 5. In there. That's better. Now I think it's a shame that the stickers didn't work. So they've just lost their sticky because they've been there for far too long. I don't know if it's had a date on it anywhere. Creative Toys Limited. Oh well. Well, we'll put it on the floor, but it does only go forwards and backwards because I don't have a suitable track for it to bash into and go round the bends. We'll go backwards so we can come forwards to the camera. Oh, range. Oh, I haven't got the aerial up. Right. There's obviously something sticking a bit on the gears because it's jamming occasionally. Yeah. Right, this is take 2. It worked okay, but it was struggling. I took it apart again, cleaned the bearings or re-greased them, adjusted the pinion gear position, and it was still struggling. Put fresh batteries in it, and it seems a lot better. But that is all it does, forwards and backwards. So, well, it works. It actually looks quite nice, but limited to just forwards and backwards without the proper racetrack, it's a bit of a dead loss, to be honest. So, yeah, job done. That'll do.
Thanks for watching. You'll find more information down in the video description. You might like to watch that video up there, and you might like to subscribe over there.